Good morning everyone. So since the last time that I vlogged, I came down with another cold. Not another one, but I came down with a cold. So that's why I haven't been vlogging again. But it's the Easter bank holiday weekend, so I thought I might as well pick up the camera. Although, don't know how long my battery is going to last for because it's now on 29%. That's great. And I did charge this one up, and then obviously it isn't working. But yeah, I'm not sure what we're going to be doing, but it's such a nice weekend. Like, well, it's meant to be such a nice weekend with the weather and things because it's like 22 degrees right now. So yay! Usually bank holidays, England is dull and rainy, but no, we're getting good weather. So yeah, thought I would vlog. So as usual, I'm about to go to Dad's. It's Saturday today, by the way. Didn't want to vlog yesterday because I wasn't doing much as I had it off, but yeah, it's 11 o'clock, so let's go to Dad's. Uh-oh. Hi, George. Oh my god! Oh! Alright, okay! I'm going up here! No! Right, let's go back to the boat! Back to the boat!
Whoa!
So we are actually, I've only just arrived.
Hang on. Yeah. She was up earlier this morning, it must have been about 11.
Oi! I was up early, just opened some important letters.
No, to you it was early. Everybody else, it's half the day gone.
Yeah, true. Alright, whatever.
Last night she woke up and the day's gone.
Do you mind? But we are off to Linslade Floating Market, is that what it's called?
It is.
So let's take a wander and
I wonder.
yeah, same thing, isn't it? Wander.
No.
Wander.
No, if you wander, you sort of think about something. If you wander, you walk.
Alright, wander then. Is it wander?
Private education.
Private education. Anyway, we're going over there and seeing what it's like. Okay, happy? We're back from the, what is it called?
Floating market.
Floating market. It was only like a small market, I suppose. But it's still nice. Good weather for it anyway, because it's boiling. But now we're just sat out on the boat, listening to the birdies. And sat with the boys. Well, yeah, I suppose you're one and all. Aww, Georgie.
Good boy. Yeah, Georgie, good boy.
Hey, George. And then Bob's down there in the shade. You got the right idea, ain't you, mate? Moi. I was going to say boy, but then I was like, mate.
Right, yeah, what was your thing you said this morning?
Wander. No,
the other one.
Don't know. There's a couple of horses coming, and we're not talking about Bob and George. They're watching. Well, George is watching them anyway. Georgie, sunbathing. Look, you could go in that bit of shade, but no. You decide not to. I've never known such a weird dog. What are you doing? Licking and sniffing and whatnot of the roots of the grass. George. So I haven't vlogged in a while, but I'm back with Timmy. And we're about to go and play table tennis with my dad in our local community centre, so let's go! Knackered now. I am. Oh, I feel so dizzy now as well. I'm picking up the ball after you. Yeah, it was good. Playing table tennis. Obviously, Dad's like won trophies in the past for like tournaments and stuff. Yeah. You seen the way he played with that man? So yeah, me and Tim are definitely not up to his standard. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there for today because we're just gonna chill now, have dinner. It's like 8:30, so yeah, gonna do that, and I will chat to you in the morning. Night, guys. Good morning. It is now Easter Sunday. Off to Dad's again, but this time I think we're moving it. Not quite sure. Don't know if shops are open because we need to go get oil. So I'm hoping that there's a shop that's open that does oil for Dad's boat because we keep needing to top it up still. And then hopefully we'll be moving it. So I am gonna go to Dad's now and I will speak to you in a little while. So we've just had something to eat now. And finally managed to get oil. Everywhere is shut as expected. I did tell Dad that Easter Sunday nothing's going to be open, but luckily Halford's was. That's like the only thing that was open. But now, are you filling up the oil? Yeah, now?
I'm just filling me a bottle of water.
Oh, okay. And then we'll be on our way.
Yeah, probably tomorrow at this fucking rate.
Yeah.
I mean, this rate.
We are moving the boat now.
We are moving the boat. Moving the boat. We're gonna move the boat. Move the boat. We're gonna move. Well, I'm gonna move the boat. Kimmy's gonna come for the ride.
Yep, just for the ride. Oh, it's nice. Like, there's not a cloud, a single cloud in the sky.
Blue skies staring at me.
Are you gonna just keep singing today?
Nothing but blue skies.
Obviously.
Over me.
I don't know what my ISO is.
Do you want to sing a rain song? Do a rain dance?
No.
Behave.
You behave. I feel sad.
Why?
I want to save that duckling. There was a duckling a minute ago and it was stuck on some thorns on the side.
Okay.
Oh, but it was, yeah, it was like, what would you say, quacking? Chirping.
Quacking. Too young to quack.
It was chirping. I need to find his mummy. We've got to the water point now, because I need to fill it up with water. But got to wait like half an hour or so because there's another boat filling up. And it's a slow tap. So just gotta wait for that. If you don't mind in this weather. And then on with our journey. We're finally on the move again. It's now like what, 4 o'clock?
No, nearly 4:45.
4:45.
Yeah, but we did have to stop for water.
Yeah, no, I did.
It's a very slow tap. I'd be way quicker than that.
Yeah, I know.
I don't like to tell you this, but I did.
Oh, okay. Right, and I'm hungry, so.
Nicking my Ritz. My beer and my Ritz tonight have disappeared.
Not the beer, but you know, needs to be done.
Yeah, right. Next, has me crumpet, has me Ritz.
Now at our mooring destination. It wasn't where I thought we were going to start with. I thought we were going through the bridge and up there.
Well, no, because I thought this is the ideal place.
Okay. But yeah, there's the pub there, which we don't like anyway because they left us like outside once. Forgot about us and our food.
How could you forget about us?
I know. But yeah, this is the place. So, bridge, your face. Perfect area for the dogs to run about over there. And over there, there's some more fields, so yeah.
This is where Nanny fell in.
Oh yeah,
Oh, no,
not in. She didn't fall in, yeah. But that will bring back memories once I tell her later, or whatever. I'm back from the boat. Well, I've been back for a very long time now. Back with Tim. And we're about to go to my nan's. And I'm hoping that we can film a little video around there. A fun little video.
Right.
Yes, babe. Who's gonna win? So yeah, let's go. What did I study at college?
Sex? I don't.
You know. I went to Malton College. What did I study?
Morning.
No, I'm a night person.
Night person. Sorry.
That's funny.
I was quite sure about that one.
No, I don't like being up in the
Oh
morning.
no.
I'm going to leave it there for today. It was fun filming with Nanny and Tim. It was a laugh anyway. You know more about me than I thought. He does listen, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to leave it there for today. Well, for this weekend, because even though I'm off tomorrow, I just don't fancy filming tomorrow. Because we're just going to go to the boat and just chill, so yeah. I think I'll just leave it there, and I will see you next time. Well, when the video that I filmed with Nanny comes out, so whenever that may be. Night, guys.